Hi everyone, it's Asuka here. In this video, I will show you how to make neon tube nails. This design looks like a neon light that glows in the dark. How do you think it's made? This nail design is perfect for Halloween and Christmas, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. This time, I will apply it to the nail tip, but if you want to apply it to your natural nails, perform nail care, lightly sand the nail surface, remove oil with ethanol, and then apply a base coat and let it cure. First, paint the base color. I'm going to use a dark black color that won't show through my natural nails. Once the entire surface is coated, let it cure. It's pigmented enough with just one coat, but to make it even darker, apply 2 coats and let it harden. After painting the base color, let's draw the pattern of the neon tube. This time, I will draw a pumpkin for Halloween. First, take out the white onto a palette or aluminum foil and blend the white into a long thin line brush. Once it's blended in well, draw 3 lines starting from the middle of your nail. In the same way, draw 3 symmetrical lines on the other side to represent the pumpkin. Once you have finished drawing this far, it will harden. Next, draw the pumpkin's eye, mouth, and stem. First, draw 2 hard eyes and fill in the inside. After drawing the eyes, draw 1 line for the mouth. From above, draw short lines and crosses randomly. After drawing the mouth, draw a triangular stem and fill the inside with white. Finally, draw the vines. Once you have finished drawing, it will harden. Now that we have the basics, let's add color so it looks like it glows in the dark like a neon tube. First, apply a thin layer of clear gel, such as base coat, to the entire nail. This is to blur the color gel that you will apply next, so spread it on so thinly that it will be blurred. After spreading the clear gel, paint the pumpkin orange. Neon colors are recommended here. Take a small amount of this neon color on your palette and blend it into your line brush. Once it blends into your brush, apply another layer over the white you drew earlier. The key here is to paint beyond the white lines. When you do this, the neon color gradually bleeds over the black base, making it look like it's glowing. Once you've applied it to the pumpkin's outline, eyes, and mouth, let it harden. Next, paint the hem part neon green. As before, first apply a thin layer of base coat and spread it out. Then apply it over the white line. After painting the neon green, let it harden. It still looks like a neon light, but let's make some changes to make it look more like a real neon tube. Take out white again onto the palette and blend it into the line brush. Then, trace over the neon color again with white. The key here is to make it thinner than the first white line you drew. This will make the neon tube appear to be shining more intensely. Once you have painted everything, let it cure. For the final finish, apply a no-wipe top coat. Once the entire surface is coated, let it cure. That's it! A dazzling neon tube Halloween nail that looks like it's floating in the dark has been completed. How did you like the neon tube nails? Although it is a time-consuming design, if you put it in one of the 5 designs, it will become a focal point and make a cute Halloween nail, so please give it a try! Thank you for watching! If this video was helpful to you, please hit the good button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.